My name is Tracy. I have an 18-year-old daughter and a 15-year-old son. Relationship is very good. We're very close. And we have we have some little hamster wheels that we jump into, and it would cause a lot of tension and frustration and miscommunication, and it was affecting how we trusted each other. And so, yeah, we really wanted to change that. We have some things in place now where if we start getting frustrated, we pause and we recognize that we're not communicating properly, or that somebody's making assumptions. That's a big one. And so we talk things through. I listen more. That's the big one. They want to talk more. They actually share more with me. They confide in me more deeply. And they weren't dishonest, but they're more open with their feelings and more honest with what's really going on with them. Our home environment is mostly chill now. It's very calm. It's very relaxing. There's a lot of laughter. There's a lot of spontaneous kitchen dances, which still embarrasses my son. But we're having more fun. We're enjoying each other more. I want to scream it from the mountaintops and tell people how important it is to learn what makes your teenager tick and understand the science behind what's going on in their brains. I think that was a huge piece. As I try not to intellectualize my relationship with my kids, but understanding that their brains aren't fully developed and that they're not wired up to do things the way I expect them to was a real game changer for me. So for me, it was really eye-opening. Being in a group setting was very affirming of not being alone on the parenting teens island. And that was a huge piece of it. Learning together, growing together. I feel like we all developed at an exponential rate because we had one another there. Something magical happened with everybody there, and we all grew together. It was really beautiful.